Sir, शुरुआत हुई थी distributors से, of course, उसके बाद funding movies, and now finally this huge project. Talk to us about it, sir.
Hello everyone. Thank you for all the media and the people who are here to bless us. Thanks a lot. Especially first I would like to thank Sanjay Dutt sir, Baba. Thank you for agreeing to do this movie. And moreover, initially sir gave us 35 days of shoot. And after completion of 35 days of shoot, Baba was so happy that he gave 20 days more to shoot. Thank you sir, it means a lot. And Baba was so busy in other movies. Still, whenever we asked the dates, sir, Baba used to give within a week how many dates we wanted. Thank you sir, because of your support we were able to got this visual. Shilpa madam, thank you. No. As madam told, we were trying to reach madam several times for the narration of the story. Madam was so busy. We were lucky that madam got injured, so that because of that madam heard the story and madam is in our movie. Thank you madam, thanks a lot. And Dhruva sir, thank you, because Dhruva sir has given almost 3 years for this movie, each and every day, because I have to tell one thing. After Martin, sir was shooting for Martin. In between we started our movie shooting. Sir lost 28 kgs in 30 days for this movie. Thank you, sir. I mean, sir told we were in a discussion, and when I saw sir, we were able to go to shoot in a month or something, and you are looking little heavy. Sir told sir, well, what is the shooting date? I told sir in next 30 days we are going. Sir came and met us on 15th day. He lost 15 kgs, and he told, sir, is this look okay? And again when he came after 15 days, he lost 28 kgs. Thank you sir, thanks a lot. And Reshma Nanaya, thank you. She didn't do any movies. I mean, whichever pre-committed movies were there, she did 1 or 2 movies for 3 years. Just for KD, she didn't do accept any other movies. Thank you, thanks a lot. And especially our hero, I mean our captain, everything for this movie, Prem sir. Prem sir, dedication. And when we met Prem sir, I asked only one thing, sir, I don't want to break any records. I want to break only one thing. You please break your previous movies record, because sir has given such a massive hits in our industry. It's like all-time industry records what sir has given. So my request was for with him is just break your own records. That's enough for us. I hope. And after seeing the visuals and after listening to the songs, I'm damn sure sir has done this job. And especially for I have to thank, I mean, my boss and our producer Venkat sir for supporting and believing everything, because when we started, the scale of the movie was different. As it was going on, it became very huge, and in each and every step, Venkat sir's support in all of us, and whatever we have asked till today, without asking questions, he has given us. Thank you sir, we are missing you a lot, but for next trailer release, you have to be here. You have given a word to us. Without fail, you have to come sir. Thank you. And moreover, I hope you people have liked the teaser, and please bless our team and bless our movie. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Love the teaser that we watched. Sanjay Dutt, I have 2 questions for you. First one is that every time you play a character, it becomes iconic. This one again is going to be iconic. What is it that you pick in a script that you're like, hey, let's do this? Or what is it that you picked in KD that you are like, ये करना है मुझे?
सबसे पहले जैसे ध्रुवा ने कहा कि इसकी कहानी बहुत प्यारी कहानी है, और ये जो कैरेक्टर है, जिस कैरेक्टर को मैंने प्ले किया है, बहुत ही पावरफुल कैरेक्टर है. इसका रिलेशनशिप इसकी वाइफ के साथ एक अलग रिलेशन है, इसका रिलेशन ध्रुवा के साथ अलग है. मीन एक बहुत कमाल का कैरेक्टर है, मासी कैरेक्टर है. एंड आई थिंक हम लोग शुरू से रॉकी से लेके अभी तक हम लोग मास के ही लिए हम लोगों ने काम किया है. और ये कहानी बहुत ही कमाल की कहानी है. इट्स इमोशनल, इट्स पावरफुल, इट्स एक्शन, इट्स एवरीथिंग. एंड सबसे ऊपर अगर मैंने ये पिक्चर की है तो प्रेम सर के लिए, क्योंकि ही इज द मोस्ट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड डायरेक्टर्स and one of the best human beings I've met. Thank you, Prem sir.
Sir, in the
Thank
second,
you, Aman. Thank you so much.
sir, in the second
My question is to Dhruva sir. I'm wondering why they call you Action Prince. You should be Action King.
Thank you so much for the question, man.
No, that's not a question. That's a compliment.
Thank you so much. Actually, Action King is Arjun Sarja. That is my uncle. He's the only Action King. So I am called Action Prince.
But looking at
And
this,
I'm very happy if they call me Dhruva.
so my question to you is, sir, you have a very strong screen presence, whether it is a action or whether it is a emotion. You have a very strong screen presence. How did you find connection to the character of KD? Like, what was it in that character that attracted you to the most?
The story, man. I play a role of boy next door. So I had to lose actually, Suprit sir, as Suprit sir told, I had to lose 20 kgs. After the movie Martin, I was huge in Martin. And I wanted to lose and I wanted to look very innocent for this character. And in the teaser shoot, in the first look, I went to the set and director didn't shoot. He was like, let us shoot some other day. And again he gave a break for 1 month, saying you have to reduce. So I thought, okay, this director reduce the break. So that is the actually director motivates me.
Yes.
He will be like, you can do it in 1 month. I will be like, how can I do it in 1 month? So he'll be encouraging me. He is the motivation for this movie.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ask no. सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
ऊपर बालकनी खाली हो गई लगता है.
Okay.
Hello, hello.
First combination, second story.
Because it is so exciting and
Yes.
doubting.
See, as I told you before, Prem sir is a very good director. He is a star director in our industry. So first, when we heard the story, we were so excited, and the combination of Prem sir, Dhruva, Baba and Shiba, it's very big. It will be a big combination. So and story is also, it's very big. So that's the reason whatever the story demanded, we have to do it as a production house.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My question is for you that how did you prepare for your role physically and mentally? I mean, बहुत ही intense role है. How did you prepare? Any BTS story that you could tell us, please?
We had to go for like workshop. I mean, a month. We did a workshop, and actually, director used to enact and show. You have to walk like this. You have to talk like this. You have to behave like this. And I was like, oh, okay. And I started copying him. So finally, I played a role called KD, and that is action. And this is the story is based on true story, I mean, based on real which has happened in Karnataka, and can
Hello.
thank you so much.
Hello, Shilpa ma'am. Hi.
यहाँ पे
My question is to you. इतने साल बाद आप कन्नड़ा मूवीज में आए हो, 18 years. क्या हम आपको मलयालम मूवीज में देख सकते हैं? सब देखना चाहते हैं।
आप बना रही हो? It really depends. I really live in the moment. Today the moment is about KD. So let's only focus on KD.
Thank you. Hello.
हाय दिस इज मेघना हियर फ्रॉम इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड। सर मेरा सवाल डायरेक्टर जी से है, प्रेम सर, कि आप सर मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जब आप ये फिल्म सबको बता रहे थे और एज अ डायरेक्टर कितना प्रेशर था, क्योंकि संजय सर है, शिल्पा मैम है, तो कैसे आपने इनको हैंडल किया?
Nothing, because I'm बाबा, पहले मैं बोल दिया, बाबा का फैन है, बड़ा फैन है, and then Shilpa madam is so sweet, like amazing. So simply it's like a family. This movie kind of like family. That's why I did naturally mentally prepare the script. Then I easily did the characters on screen.
रेशमा जी आपसे भी एक सवाल है। आप इतने बड़ी लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तो कैसा रहा इनके साथ एक्सपीरियंस और क्या सीखने मिला आपसे?
It was very overwhelming because मैंने कभी भी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं संजय दत्त सर से मिलूंगी, शिल्पा मैम से मिलूंगी, उनके साथ काम करूंगी। तो एक बहुत ही लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा मुझे, क्योंकि आई जस्ट एंटर द इंडस्ट्री, इट्स बिन फ्यू इयर्स, सो इट्स बिन अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर श्योर।
आप लोगों को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भोजपुरिया मुंबई संगम।